Say yes to life.
Hi, I'm Gayatri Gauri and I'm here to talk about depression. It's a very common form of illness and yet few of us are willing to talk about it. So let's talk about it, let's raise an awareness around it, and most importantly, let's say yes to life. The way the heroine of Fan, Shriya Pilgaonkar says, yes to life.
Happiness, I think, is this unshakable life condition which is not based on anything. There are no conditions to it. And happiness is hope, it's gratitude, I would say. And it's just that feeling of being alive, which is not dependent on anything, no matter what. So that's happiness to me. Low moments. Well, firstly, just to be aware that it's a transient thing, it's going to pass. And my natural tendency is because I have a dog at home. So for me, he's a big stress buster. I love food. I think that's everybody's go-to thing. But otherwise, I also read a lot, and there are many times that I meditate when I just want to be at peace, when there's too much restlessness in my mind. And yeah, I think I just find my own corner space to just be. And sometimes I also pray, because I think I find a lot of peace in praying. So yeah. Well, I haven't really experienced it myself, but I do know of people who have almost sort of gone into the phase of clinical depression. And I think the most important thing is awareness, and to sort of talk about it, and also to understand that there's no shame associated with it, whether it's bipolarity or depression for that matter. And communication is the key, I would say, to be able to talk to people, to be able to have the courage to sort of understand that being clinically depressed really means that it's nothing, it's not a finality, you can change it for yourself. So I think for me the crucial thing would be to have a conversation about it and to understand that there's no shame associated with it. Of course one should visit a doctor for that, and I think it's only when we take complete responsibility to want to have a better life and to feel better do we actually get better. Things won't just happen, we have to take responsibility for our lives. So yes, if you feel like you are clinically depressed, it's most important to consult a doctor. See, I think any sort of workspace has its own stresses in that sense. But as actors, of course, the anxiety, I would say, is much more, because you put yourself out there, and there are you put your insecurities out there, you put yourself on this pedestal sometimes, which you can completely fall from it. And I think anxiety is something that you can overcome, and most importantly, I think for actors, it's important to respect your own journey. There's no point sort of comparing yourself to other people, and everyone's gonna get their own special take in all of this. So I think if you respect your own journey, and if you are aware that whatever anxiety you're feeling is not going to help you in any possible way, then you wouldn't want to feel anxious. And I think the beauty of it also lies in the fact that as actors, so much of the performance is about the energy and the vibe that you bring to the screen. And there's no space for negativity then in that sense. So if you do feel anxious, then I think one should be able to try and convert that into a good kind of anxiety. Like, there's good anxiety and there's bad anxiety. You can't really begrudge yourself and sort of tear yourself down and be hard on yourself. So I think you enjoy your work much more when you're a little more relaxed. So yeah.
वक्त ने किया क्या हंसी. So much fun being drama queen, no? Well, there are other ways of having fun, like saying yes to life. If you agree with me, please like, subscribe, and feel free to comment. Say yes to life.